As a service provider, clients trust you to keep their data, applications, and systems running, whatever happens. But in today's digital world, anything can happen, so you must be able to address everything. Relying on a complex and costly stack of legacy solutions to cover everything, however, can complicate your management efforts, hamper your team's productivity, and jeopardize your ability to keep clients secure. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud empowers service providers by unifying backup, cybersecurity, and workload management in one integrated solution, enabling you to build superior cyber protection services while cutting your operating costs and boosting recurring revenue. That's because with one solution, installed with one agent, and managed through one console, you can modernize your data protection and cybersecurity offering with the unmatched cyber protection services your clients need. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud has a set of essential cyber protection capabilities included at no cost or on a pay-as-you-go basis, while advanced protection packs give you the flexibility to expand your services based on clients' needs. Here, I'm logged into the Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, and you can see how easy the infrastructure discovery is. A few clicks enable us to see all the devices being managed for this particular client. Let me click on a device so we can see the protection available, including backup, antivirus and anti-malware, URL filtering, vulnerability assessments, patch management. Let's look at each of these capabilities. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud comes with an advanced AI-based behavioral detection engine that stops malware, ransomware, and zero-day attacks in real time. Managed from the solution's unified dashboard, our anti-malware technology is battle-tested, VB100 certified, and consistently a leader in testing by independent security labs, including AV-Test and AV-Comparatives. Compatible with most popular solutions, it ensures you can enhance and augment your existing anti-malware protection service. If you want to disable the integrated anti-malware, you're in control. It's a simple task to turn it off. When running, however, the integrated nature of Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud delivers several benefits. Unlike other anti-malware solutions, for example, the integration with our backup capabilities means our solution can automatically restore affected files to immediately recover a client's workload or system following a ransomware attack. Talk about streamlining things for you. The essential cybersecurity capabilities also include things like vulnerability assessments, which enable you to easily identify and close the gaps that a cybercriminal could exploit. As you see here, a quick analysis reveals the vulnerabilities that we need to close on our clients' machines. And the centralized management enables us to tackle these changes quickly as well. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud is built on our award-winning full image and file level backup and recovery capabilities, which protects more than 20 workload types. As you can see, you can store backups locally for fast recovery options, keep them off-site in cloud storage hosted by you, Acronis, or popular vendors such as Azure, AWS, and Google, or a combination of local and cloud storage. And recovery is just as easy, since you can recover individual files or a full system in just a few clicks. That reliability is why Acronis' backup technology is trusted by more than 50,000 partners around the world. It delivers near zero RTOs and ARPUs, so you can deliver backup and recovery services that ensure your clients never lose any data, cementing your role as an irreplaceable business partner. These comprehensive backup and recovery capabilities are included in Acronis Cyber Protect as consumption-based or per-workload licensing models, so you can immediately build services around them without upfront costs. As you can see, the unified approach makes managing all of the backup and recovery operations, anti-malware processes, as well as the disaster recovery, secure file sync and share, blockchain-based notarization, and other essential capabilities that are included in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud simple. Everything is right in front of you for easy administration. One console enables you to provision every workload, monitor every process, and manage every aspect of a client's protection quickly and easily. This centralized management is also integrated with popular RMM and PSA systems so you can run everything and manage it all using the system you already rely on. With Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud, the ability to add a host of new services without having to juggle multiple solutions, consoles, or platforms has never been easier. With all of these capabilities unified in one solution and included at no cost or as a pay-as-you-go basis, you can instantly create comprehensive cyber protection services with little to no upfront costs. It eliminates the need to purchase separate solutions from multiple vendors to get the same number of capabilities. So you can consolidate vendor expenses and cut your cyber protection costs by up to 50%. The native integration of best-of-breed backup, award-winning cybersecurity, and protection management also delivers unique cyber protection capabilities that are not available from other security vendors. And because all of these capabilities are installed using one agent and managed through one console, you can upsell clients on new services that are easily activated in just a few clicks, as we see here, without adding to your management or budgetary overhead. All of this means you're able to cover 100% of your client workloads, reducing their risk and streamlining your administration. If you have clients with additional requirements or you want to build additional services, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud makes it easy. Additional advanced packs give you the flexibility to expand your services based on clients' needs, so you can deliver the optimum level of cyber protection for every workload. Build on the essential capabilities already included in Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud with advanced backups, expanded support for more workload types, and continuous data protection that ensures your clients never lose data. Enhance your cybersecurity offering with advanced security. You'll be able to layer on URL filtering, enhanced signature-based antivirus detection, forensic data captured in backups, and other powerful capabilities to create an even more comprehensive cybersecurity program. Advanced management adds automated patch management, fail-safe patching, software inventory collection, even AI-powered disk drive health monitoring like you see here, so you could take your services to the next level. To prevent clients from experiencing any downtime, Advanced Disaster Recovery layers additional DR capabilities, including production and test failover to the Acronis Cloud, orchestration runbooks, customer DNS configuration, and more. With these and future advanced protection packs, you have the ability to expand your services quickly and easily without having to add another vendor relationship, pay for another expensive solution, or learn a new management console. Everything is seamlessly integrated and managed through Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud. As you can see, Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud is a comprehensive cyber protection solution that's built with service providers in mind. Its single solution approach streamlines how you deliver your services to clients with capabilities that are integrated and managed through a single interface. It empowers service providers with essential cyber protection capabilities such as integrated backup and recovery, anti-malware, and cybersecurity, centralized management, and more. With these essential capabilities included at no cost or on a pay-as-you-go basis, you immediately can build a world-class service offering, which you have the ability to white label to reinforce your brand with little to no upfront costs. Advanced protection packs also give you the flexibility to expand your services quickly and easily without adding another vendor relationship, paying for another solution, or learning a new management console. And service provider partners can maximize their success with incentives from our CyberFit Partner Program and ready-to-go campaigns in our new partner portal. Acronis Cyber Protect Cloud empowers you with everything needed to lower client risk with superior cyber protection while cutting operating costs and boosting your recurring revenue.